Hello everyone, this is Anita. Welcome to my channel. In a new series of videos, I'll be starting with few basic concepts of astrology, and we can then discuss about the planets and houses in details in other videos. So in this video, let me explain you about 12 zodiac signs, 12 houses and 9 planets. So total 12 signs are there in the zodiac belt. Each sign is 30 degree long and each sign is linked to one house, and total 12 houses are there in astrology. So the first sign in the zodiac belt is Aries and it is linked to the first house. The second sign is Taurus and it is linked to the second house. The third sign is Gemini and it is linked to the third house. The fourth sign is Cancer and it is linked to the fourth house. The fifth sign is Leo and it is linked to the fifth house. The sixth sign is Virgo and it is linked to the sixth house. The seventh sign is Libra and it is linked to the seventh house. The eighth sign is Scorpio and it is linked to the eighth house. The ninth sign is Sagittarius and it is linked to the ninth house. The 10th sign is Capricorn and it is linked to the 10th house. The 11th sign is Aquarius and it is linked to the 11th house. And the last sign, that is 12th sign, that is Pisces, and it is linked to the 12th house. Now 12 zodiac signs are grouped into 4 elements. So 4 elements are fire element, earth element, air element and water element. So Aries, Leo and Sagittarius are fire signs. That is 1, 5 and 9. Fire signs are excitable, vital and enthusiastic. Then Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn are earth signs. That is 2, 6 and 10. And earth signs are goal oriented, authentic, productive, determined, sensible and calm. Then Gemini, Libra and Aquarius are air signs. That is 3, 7 and 11. And air signs are thinkers and communicators. Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces are water signs. That is 4, 8 and 12. And water signs are intuitive and sensitive, and they feel more intensely than other zodiac signs. Now 12 zodiac signs are grouped into masculine and feminine energy. So masculine signs use outer energy and feminine signs use inner energy. So fire and air signs are masculine signs. So we have 6 masculine signs, that is 3 fire signs and 3 air signs. So 3 fire signs are Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, and 3 air signs are Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. And masculine signs are extroverted, logic based, impulsive and analytical. And earth and water signs are feminine signs. So we have 6 feminine signs, that is 3 earth signs and 3 water signs. So 3 earth signs are Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, and 3 water signs are Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. And feminine signs are introverted, receptive and intuitive. And feminine signs are very emotional by nature. Now 12 zodiac signs are grouped in a quadruplicity known as the quality. So three qualities are cardinal, fixed and mutable. So cardinal signs are Aries, Cancer, Libra and Capricorn. That is 1, 4, 7 and 10. Cardinal signs are very creative signs and they pay excessive attention to themselves. Then fixed signs are Taurus, Leo, Scorpio and Aquarius. That is 2, 5, 8 and 11. And fixed signs are very stubborn by nature and they find it very difficult to adjust to a new situation. And mutable signs are Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius and Pisces. That is 3, 6, 9 and 12. And mutable signs are volatile, quick and they can adjust to all situations. Now let's discuss about 9 planets. And each sign is ruled by one planet. So 9 planets are Sun, Moon, Mars, Mercury, Venus, Jupiter and Saturn. And 2 shadow planets, that is Rahu and Ketu. So the planet Sun rules the sign of Leo and 5th house. Moon rules the sign of Cancer and 4th house. Mars rules the sign of Aries and Scorpio, that is 1st and 8th house. Mercury rules the sign of Gemini and Virgo, that is 3rd and 6th house. Venus rules the sign of Taurus and Libra, that is 2nd and 7th house. Jupiter rules the sign of Sagittarius and Pisces, that is 9th and 12th house. Saturn rules the sign of Capricorn Aquarius, that is 10th and 11th house. Rahu and Ketu are 2 shadow planets, so they do not rule any signs. But Rahu co-owns the sign of Aquarius along with Saturn, and Ketu co-owns the sign of Scorpio. So I have explained about 12 zodiac signs, 12 houses and 9 planets. Hope this is helpful in understanding the basic of astrology. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you are interested in this type of contents, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for any future notifications. Thank you for watching my video.